Last October 1, we have distributed a letter to all our representatives, principally by electronic, but we also posted some hard copy, soliciting proposed amendments or proposed resolutions from our representatives. In that letter, we clearly advise all representatives that we will not accept proposals coming from ordinary members. Kasi hindi rin naman po nila madedepensahan dahil kayo ang may trabaho nun at hindi sila makakapasok dito. Pinaliwanag na natin sa mga orientation natin na pag nag-allow tayo ng isang non-representative na magsalita dyan, that will be unfair dun sa ibang mga members. No? Kaya we would like to be very fair to everyone. Kaya yung representatives na parang mga congressman kayo, no? Kayo lang yung i-allow naming mag-propose. Kaya naman, dapat kayo rin nakikipag-usap po kayo sa mga constituents nyo kung meron silang gusto. Tapos kayo yung magdadala ng kanilang mga proposal. So nag-deadline po tayo ng October 31. After October 31, we received 29 proposals coming from 13 representatives and 1 non-representative. O kaya outrightly, sinabihan natin yung non-representative na hindi natin madadala sa assembly yung kanyang proposal. Pero sinagot natin yung proposal niya. Ang proposal niya ay i-prohibit ang mga officers ng PLDT from running as director. Sinagot natin siya, sinabihan natin siya na discriminatory yun. That is a discrimination of one class of our cooperative. Kaya hindi natin pwedeng payagan yon. As it is discriminatory, it is also against our principle of equality. After all, na-elect ang sino man sa ating mga direktor batay dun sa democratic process na pinagpapasyahan ng ating asembleya. Kaya hindi natin pwedeng ipasa yun. Magiging illegal po yung ganong proposal.